everyone, good afternoon. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nadia Ramadhani Maulana. Today, I want to take you into the world of UI UX design that I've created using a music streaming app concept named Space. Here's the voice chart that I use as our guide. Friendly and approachable. This column focuses on building a personal relationship with the user. The goal is to make user feel comfortable, as if they are interacting with a friend who is recommend music. Energetic and enthusiastic. This column is designed to reflect the energy and positive emotion of the music itself. This voice will be used for features that motivate users, such as trending song recommendation or concert notification. Knowledgeable and credible. This column is crucial for building trust. Users should feel that the app is a reliable source for music information. This voice will be used in album description, artist biographies, or creation filters. 1. Concept. In friendly and approachable, using casual and conversational language. In energetic and enthusiastic, conveying excitement and optimism and encouraging users to explore. In knowledgeable and credible, providing relevant and smart insight about music, artists, or genres. 2. Vocabulary. In friendly and approachable. Friendly greetings. Example: Hey there, how it's going? Common idioms and simple everyday words. In energetic and enthusiastic, excitable words. Example: awesome, blessed, dumb, and energetic emojis. In knowledgeable and credible, industry-specific terms, playlist, album, genre, and high-quality recommendation. 3. Grammar. In friendly and approachable, flexible and not overly rigid. Casual grammar and sentence fragments are acceptable. In energetic and enthusiastic, uses spontaneous and dynamic sentence, sometimes not strictly formal. In knowledgeable and credible, structure and organized grammar, demonstrating professionalism and reliability. 4. Verbosity. In friendly and approachable, concise and to the point, but still warm. Not overly long, just enough to convey a friendly message. In energetic and enthusiastic, short, punchy, and full of energy. Often use bold and enthusiastic sentence. In knowledgeable and credible, precise and informative. Well-structured sentence that explain or provide insight. 5. Punctuation. In friendly and approachable, exclamation point for enthusiasm, commas for natural pause. In energetic and enthusiastic, abundant exclamation points, question marks for engagement. In knowledgeable and credible, standard function with correct us of period and commas. 6. Capitalization. In friendly and approachable, use capitalization at the beginning of sentence and for proper nouns, but not excessively. In energetic and enthusiastic, use all caps for emphasis. Example: this is a must listen, or for a catching titles. In eligible and credible, use capitalization according to standard writing rules. Here's a look at the 11-page UI UX design I've put together. On the first page, there is titles. Enjoy your music, enjoy your life. Serve as the title or main headline that grabs attention. Buttons and other interactive text. Get started is the text on the button, which is the only interactive element on this page. Descriptions. Listen to your favorite music for free anywhere is the description that provides more information about the app's service. On the second page, there is title, is login. Buttons and other interactive text, login on the main button, Google and Facebook on the alternative button, forgot password, register, and health center are all interactive text. Description. Enter your username and password to log in is the description explaining the page purpose. Labels is username and password. Text input fields. There are two text input fields for username and password. Transitional text is or login with that over alternative login option. On the third page, there is title is register, button and other interactive text. Next is the text on the main buttons. I agree with the terms and condition is the interactive text. Next to the checkbox and help center is an interactive link. Description. Enter your details to register is the description that explains the purpose of the page. Labels, name, email address, mobile number, and confirm password. Controls, the checkbox for I agree with the terms and condition is a control element. Text input fields, there are multiple text input fields for name, email address, mobile number, password, and confirm password. On the fourth page, same as on the third page, only there is an addition. Errors. The red text must be 8 or more characters and contain at least one number or special character. Is an example and error patterns. It appears because there is an issue with the password input. On the 5th page, there is title. Good evening, recently played, and new release for you. Buttons and other interactive text, the box with image and text like Discover Weekly, Daily Mix 1, Daily Mix 3, and other function as interactive buttons. The navigation text at the bottom, home, search, your library, and setting is also interactive. Description. The small text below the album or song title serve as a description providing additional details. On the 6th page, there is title is search, start browse, and browse all. Button and other interactive text, the colored box with text like Latina, made for you, new release, podcast, and so on. Function as interactive button. Description. The next, what do you want to listen to? Inside the search bar serve as a guiding description for the user. Text input field is the search bar at the top. On the 7th page, there is title is search and featuring Coldplay. Button and other interactive text, the box below the search bar like top, artist, playlist, song, album are interactive text that function as filters. The name Coldplay with the verified icon, song title like Yellow, A Sky Full of Stars, and The Scientist, as well as the text in the bottom navigation are also interactive text. Description. Artist, playlist, and song that appear below the names are description that provide category details. Text input field is the search bar at the top containing Coldplay. On the 8th page there is title. Yellow is the song title and Coldplay is the artist title. Description. Coldplay Precious is a description providing album details. Control. The play or pause, skip, shuffle, and repeat buttons as well as the progress bar are control element. Notification at the top, tune space with the message you have a notification is a notification. On the 9th page there is button and other interactive text. The navigation text at the bottom is interactive. Additionally, there are music player control at the bottom of the screen. Empty states. Check your connection is a message that appears when the page cannot load content due to a specific condition. In this case, no internet connection. On the 10th page there is title is your library and recents. Button and other interactive text, the text, playlist, podcast, album, artist, download, function as interactive filter or tapes. The album or playlist covers like song, new episode, Arctic Monkeys, and etc. are interactive buttons. The navigation text at the bottom is also interactive. Description. The smaller text below the title, such as Playlist 16 Songs, Album Blur, and Artist, provides additional description. Controls. The icons in the top right corner, the short arrow icon, and the music player. Controls at the bottom of the screen are control elements. Transitional text is add artist and add podcast. On the 11th page, there is title, is setting, language, explicit content, music quality, device, playback, and about. Button and other interactive text, Go Premium and Logout, are text on interactive buttons. The menu text like language and music quality are also interactive. The navigation text at the are interactive. Description. Free account. Set your default language for the TuneSpace app. Allow playback of explicit, streaming quality, and other description. Provide additional information or explain a function. Controls. The on or off toggle button next to music quality is an example of control element. So, that's the UI UX design I've created. That's the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching and listening, and goodbye!